In this tutorial, we'll install the WordPress plugin and connect it to our UltraCart account. Here I am logged into the administration screen in a WordPress site. We'll click on Plugins and then Add New. In the Search Plugins field, we'll enter UltraCart and then click the Install Now option. Then we'll click Activate. Now that the plugin has been activated, we'll go under Settings and then UltraCart. The next step is to connect the plugin to our UltraCart account. We'll click Connect to UltraCart, which will open up a login screen. After logging in, we'll be prompted with the authorization for the WordPress plugin. We'll click Authorize Application. At this point, the WordPress plugin and your UltraCart account have exchanged credentials so that the WordPress plugin can call into your UltraCart account and retrieve the items. We'll click Refresh and we'll see that the items in our UltraCart database have synced down to our WordPress site. We're now ready to begin going to the page editor and using the buttons provided to add buy buttons or full items to our site.